Okay. Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining our 9th International Workshop on Vaccine and Drug Ontology Studies, short for VDOS 2020, in conjunction with the ICVO 2020. And sorry about the delay because of the technical difficulties, but we will get started right away. I'd like to thank my colleagues, Dr. Youngkun Oliver He from University of Michigan and Chi Tao from University of Texas in Houston. And we have 5 program committee members as listed here who've been instrumental. As you most of know pretty well about the workshop, it's all about vaccine and drug studies. And we focus on the ontology development and representation related to drugs and vaccine, as well as its applications in real world situation, like administration and adverse event and other studies. Our biomedical subject matter of interest in this workshop is including but not limited to drug component, administration detail and immune response and pathways, interactions, and adverse events. And we focus a lot on the computational method used to study these fields, and including literature mining-based approaches and network-based approaches, and nowadays machine learning and the AI-based approaches as well. So, well, the VDOS workshop, this is not the first time, this is the 9th, and we started in 2012. Initially, it was a kind of VDOS Me in the vaccine drug ontology in the study of mechanism and effect. And ever since then, it's been kind of VDOS focusing on the drug and vaccine. And now this year, unfortunately, we are doing a workshop in virtual system, but I believe everyone will have an excellent time to discuss the current research and exchange ideas. So this year we have 6 presentations, 3 full-length presentations and 3 short presentations prepared. And 3 of these modulated, Oliver and Tree. Each of us will modulate 2 of these talk. And at the end of the session, we're going to have a panel or general discussion, including all the speakers and the audiences in the workshop. And we have a couple of topics ready, but it's also open to any questions and discussion you might have later. Okay, so and as the first part, I will give my I will let Tree modulate the first 2 talks